ग्लो रेसिपी इज अ ब्रांड जो टाइम टू टाइम वायरल होता रहता है एंड इट हैज सम रियली रियली गुड फॉर्मूलाज. व्हेन इट कम्स टू ग्लो रेसिपी दे क्रिएट जेंटल फॉर्मूलाज जो आप लॉन्ग टर्म तक यूज कर सकते हैं, बिगिनर फ्रेंडली होते हैं, पैकेजिंग क्यूट है, एवरीथिंग इज अमेजिंग अबाउट दिस ब्रांड, बट द ब्रांड इज प्राइसी. तो हम कर रहे हैं हमारी ड्यूप सीरीज को कंटिन्यू एंड इन टुडेज वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू ड्यूप ग्लो रेसिपी. ग्लो रेसिपी के कुछ बेस्ट सेलिंग प्रोडक्ट्स को मैंने ड्यूप किया है. आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई एंड गिव यू ऑप्शंस इन इंडियन एंड इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड्स. So it doesn't matter where you are in the world, you can get yourself a good dupe. Hello and welcome to Skincare Simplified. मेरा नाम है निपुन, आपकी स्किन केयर बेस्टी एंड अ सर्टिफाइड स्किन केयर कंसल्टेंट. हम कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं हमारी ड्यूप सीरीज. मैंने ड्यूप की थी लग्जरी क्रीम्स, लग्जरी सेरम्स. अब हम जा रहे हैं ब्रांड यूनिवर्स में, मतलब एक ब्रांड में अच्छे खासे उनके बेस्ट सेलिंग प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं, उन्हें हम ड्यूप करेंगे एंड एज अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद ग्लो रेसिपी. वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले यू नो द ड्रिल. लाइक, सब्सक्राइब इफ यू एंजॉय साइंस पैक डेली स्किन केयर कंटेंट बिकॉज आई क्रिएट अ न्यू वीडियो एवरी सिंगल डे हियर ऑन स्किन केयर सिंप्लीफाइड, द ओनली चैनल ऑन प्लैनेट अर्थ जहां आपको मिलते हैं डिटेल स्किन केयर रूटीन्स. We have channel memberships, we have a monthly giveaway, one lucky winner can win 5,000 rupees worth of skincare products and a customized skincare routine. So smash that subscribe button and now let's get started. हम शुरुआत करेंगे by duping the latest launch of the ordinary, not the ordinary, the latest launch of Glow Recipe. And जो latest launch है उनकी है ये. This is their retinol serum. This is called the blackberry retinol blemish serum, and this is a combination. Of course, इसमें blackberry मिलता है, which is like brightening your skin. Alpha arbutin भी blackberries का ही extract है, so it's a brightening ingredient. इसमें आपको मिलता है retinal ester, यानी सबसे weak form of retinol. साथ ही साथ आपको मिलता है रेटिनल विच इज नेक्स्ट टू ट्रेटिनोइन, यानी सबसे वीक एंड ओवर द काउंटर सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग. दोनों चीज़ों को कंबाइन करके बना है ये अमेजिंग सेरम. अगर हम इसके इंग्रेडिएंट्स की बात करें, beyond the blackberry extract, beyond the retinal and the retinol, beyond the retinol, which is the weak form, and the retinal, इसमें आपको थोड़ा सा hyaluronic acid मिलता है. It's a good formula. Of course, I've tested it out. I like to use it. कहीं भी लगा सकते हैं. It's very very gentle. Reviews are very good on Sephora. मैंने इसे करीबन 1-1.5 हफ्ते तक ही यूज़ किया है. This is a good product, beginner friendly है. And this is good if you're in your 20s, early 30s, or you're starting out with retinol. इसका ड्यूप मैं आपको दूंगी इन एन इंडियन ब्रांड एंड दिस इज अ प्रोडक्ट और एन लाइन जिसे मैं एट लेंथ रिव्यू कर चुकी हूँ. इट इज द डर्माको एंड डॉक्टर वी कोलैबोरेशन. इस कोलैबोरेशन का, इफ यू सॉ द वीडियो, माय फेवरेट प्रोडक्ट वाज दिस, द स्किन रिन्यू पेप्टाइड रेटिनॉल सेरम क्रीम. And this is what I'm going to compare to this, even though इसमें blackberry extract नहीं है. But let's talk about the ingredients. इसमें आपको मिलता है, and I truly feel this is actually better than Glow Recipe. So let me put it out there. 1,500 रुपए और 1,600 रुपए का ये प्रोडक्ट इज वे बेटर देन वट एवर amount this is. I think this is almost 200 dirhams, so like 4,500 rupees. This is better. Why? You get retinol and then you get encapsulated retinal, यानी slow release करता है. You get vitamin C, you get peptides, you get a whole bunch of brightening ingredient. तो इसमें आपको basically 2 concentrations of retinol मिलते हैं. You get your brightening ingredients, you get your hydration which comes through your peptides. This is a really really good formula. And again, this is a beginner friendly formula. So this is something that I would recommend अगर आपको इसको dupe करना है. Basically आपको mild retinol और retinal के benefits चाहिए in a form that you can use easily 2 to 3 times a week. I would recommend this, the Skin Renew by Dr. V. And पूरी line के बारे में मेरा क्या opinion है, if you want to know, you can go see the detailed video. So this is my recommendation number 1. This is the dupe number 1. The second product that I want to talk about is a product जो बहुत viral हुआ है and is a big favorite with people who have like really sensitive skin, and that is the avocado serum. This is the avocado ceramide serum by Glow Recipe. And इसके लिए मेरे पास 2 dupes हैं आपके लिए. Number 1 for everyone internationally, including UAE, Saudi. Now we have Bioma available in Sephora. So you can go get the brightening serum from Sephora, Bioma brightening serum. जिसमें आपको मिलता है triceramide complex. You get brightening ingredients, you get hyaluronic acid. Basically, texture wise, पे ऑफ वाइज, यानी आपको इस प्रोडक्ट से क्या मिलेगा, वेरी सिमिलर टू द ग्लो रेसिपी एवोकाडो. ऑब्वियसली इसमें एवोकाडो नहीं है, विच इज ओके बिकॉज इसमें दूसरे इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं जो एवोकाडो का काम करते हैं. सो दिस इज लाइक अ सुपर हाइड्रेटिंग सेरम दैट यू कैन गेट. द सेकंड वन दैट आई विल गिव यू इज अ सेरम फ्रॉम एन इंडियन ब्रांड जो एक्चुअली बायोमा का कॉपी है, एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाई दे हैव डन सच अ ब्लेटेंट कॉपी. द ब्रांड इज कॉल्ड विदिन ब्यूटी एंड दीज आर द calming soothing serum. इतने लंबे नाम होते हैं. Barrier Restore Calming Soothing Serum. Basically, this is the same thing. You get your ceramide complex plus niacinamide, brightening plus ceramide. These two products make a very good dupe for the avocado serum by Glow Recipe. Like I said, I've given you two options. One is available in India, one is available internationally. Obviously, I think Bioma is a little better. Within Beauty, I've not tried, but Within Beauty is literally like copying Bioma to the T. So I'm assuming the formula is really simple. Ingredient wise, you're getting the ceramide complex, you're getting the brightening ingredients. So if you can't get the ceramide complex, the avocado one, you can opt in for these two dupes. The second product that I'm going to give you is a product that literally broke the internet thanks to Glamzilla. It is the Dew Drops. अब Dew Drops में हमें Hue Drops भी मिलते हैं, which are the bronzing ones, but basically the Glow Recipe Dew Drops, which is basically like their 3-4% niacinamide serum, is a bestseller to date. And you can use it as a primer, you can use it as a niacinamide serum. अगर आपकी skin sensitive है, आपको 10% सूट नहीं करता, you can use this one. This basically works in multiple ways, and honestly, मैं ये हमेशा खरीद के रखती हूँ. Why? Because some days I just want that extra glow. I just want to like get that glass skin effect, and ये आपको वो glass skin effect देता है. इसका ड्यूप आपको एक्चुअली मिलता है एक मेकअप ब्रांड में who also does skincare, and the brand is Essence. Essence has this watermelon serum which I discovered almost 2 years ago जब मैंने TikTok पे एक वीडियो देखी थी where some girl had compared it, and क्योंकि Essence यहाँ आराम से मिल जाता है, I actually bought the serum. And actually I realized that जो Essence ने इसका ड्यूप बनाया है is fabulous, especially उनके लिए जिनकी स्किन ऑयली है. If we talk about the original formula of the Dew Drops, it's a bit of a thick serum consistency, and this is something that may not work अगर आपकी स्किन बहुत oily है. But the dupe that you get in Essence is a really watery formula, and this can actually work if your skin is oily. So the dupe in Essence is absolutely amazing for the Glow Recipe Dew Drops. So this is the third product that we have duped. Now let's talk about the Plump Hyaluronic Acid Serum. At the end of the day, guys, all hyaluronic acid serums are pretty similar, but the Plump one is special. And when I bought the Plump one almost 2-3 years ago when it launched, that's when I bought it, never really repurchased it. But jitna bhi maine use use kiya till I finished using it, I really enjoyed it. The one thing about Glow Recipe is that they do focus on like high quality ingredients, and I think ingredients and quality makes a huge difference in the payoff you get with the product. Plump serum को हम dupe कैसे करेंगे? So I have two options for you. One that you can get everywhere in the world is the Neutrogena Hyaluronic Acid Serum. The Neutrogena Hyaluronic Acid Serum is truly a good one, and this is a closed dupe. The second is the Vichy Mineral 89. If we talk of drugstore brands and skincare that you get in drugstore brands, which is not like as affordable as your Cetaphil, CeraVe, but it's slightly better, Vichy takes the cake. Vichy has some really good formulas. In fact, right now I'm testing out an eye cream that they came out with, and I'm really surprised. They make some amazing formulas. So अगर आप Plump serum use करना चाहते थे, the hyaluronic acid one, you have a dupe in Neutrogena and in Vichy. Moving on to product number 4 or 5, not sure. Let's talk about the viral watermelon moisturizer. The watermelon moisturizer by Glow Recipe is awesome. It is just so lightweight. It literally feels like you're applying, almost like you're applying water. It's super hydrating, sinks into your skin very easily. And इसमें मेरे पास आपके लिए 2 dupes हैं. One dupe is a very close dupe that you actually get only internationally because this is available in a brand called Bliss. Bliss has watermelon, which is not watermelon, but what a melon, moisturizer, which is a water jelly hydration cream, but it's literally like a water gel formula with watermelon, and this is a super close dupe for the Glow Recipe watermelon moisturizer. But if you're looking at something in the Indian brands, you can opt in for the Dot & Key watermelon moisturizer. Though the Dot & Key one is not an exact dupe because I've used it and I've used both of them, so मुझे पता है कि Dot & Key feels a little more whipped and thick. But if you're looking at getting the same niacinamide, the same watermelon, similar kind of ingredients, then the watermelon one by Dot & Key is a similar product that you can use. Again, it's amazing for hot, humid climate. It is great as a gentle, lightweight moisturizer. This is a good dupe, or this is a close match, not a dupe, for the Glow Recipe one. A dupe would be the Bliss one. Another product that I've reviewed in the past, जिसे मैंने recommend भी किया है, is the Glow Recipe Pomegranate Peptide. ये Glow Recipe का copper peptide है, in which you have copper peptide in a good concentration, but it's not as potent as the ordinary one. The ordinary one is strong, and it's meant if you can really tolerate a good 2% or a 3% copper peptide. Ordinary wala strong hai. This is like a milder form. This is also a creamier serum. So agar aapki skin dry hai, sensitive hai, this one is for you. Now, I have a dupe from you. I have a dupe not from you. I have a dupe for you, and this is in the brand Clayco. Clayco also has a copper peptide serum, which is very, very similar to the formula of Glow Recipe. Glow Recipe one is a little thicker. Clayco is a little more watery, but this has ginseng, that has pomegranate. So basically, जो antioxidant swap है, antioxidant जो आपको ग्लो रेसिपी में मिल रहा है, you are getting it from pomegranate. The antioxidant that you're getting in Clayco, you're getting it from ginseng. So you are getting two antioxidants, you're getting copper peptide. Concentration wise they are similar, price wise there's a huge difference. And मैंने अपने copper peptide serums की वीडियो में भी recommend किया है that if you have dry sensitive skin, if you can't really take something which is super strong like the ordinary is the best, but अगर आप उसको नहीं tolerate कर सकते, then the Clayco one is a good option for you. So I'm duping the Glow Recipe Pomegranate Peptide with the Clayco Copper Peptide, and this is a very, very close dupe because आपको similar फायदे वाले ingredients मिल रहे हैं. Of course, the price difference is massive. So these were 6 dupes from Glow Recipe. आपको कौन सा पसंद आया? Which one are you going to try? Let me know in the comments. Come back tomorrow for another dupe video. Hopeful. Why am I fumbling today? Come back tomorrow for another dupe video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.